If you're looking for a high-quality VR headset for gaming and graphics-intensive applications, the HTC Vive Pro 2 is a great option. We recently had the chance to test out the HTC Vive Pro 2, and we were impressed with the visual clarity and comfort of the headset. The 5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate made for a truly immersive experience, and the wide field of view helped us feel more present in our virtual environment. One thing to note is that the headset is on the heavier side, which may be a concern for some users. However, we found that the adjustable construction and balanced ergonomics helped to mitigate any discomfort during longer VR sessions. Overall, if you're looking for a high-quality VR headset that can provide an immersive and seamless visual experience, the HTC Vive Pro 2 is definitely worth considering. The pros are: the 5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate provide an immersive and seamless visual experience. The wide 120-degree field of view allows you to see more of your environment, making it feel more natural. The headset is designed for comfort, with adjustable construction that fits a wide range of head sizes and vision types. Their cons are: the headset is on the heavier side, weighing in at 5.79 pounds. The IPD adjustment dial may not work for everyone, as interpupillary distance can vary widely. Base stations and controllers are sold separately, adding to the overall cost. Just keep in mind that the cost can add up quickly if you need to purchase base stations and controllers separately.